Welcome to Beginnings! Hey friends! Are you ready to play a guessing game? I'll give you clues, and you guess what it is. Let's start and have some fun. I'm filled with air. I float up high. Hold me tight. I touch the sky. What am I? 1, 2, 3. Did you guess it? It's a balloon. Ha ha ha. Next one. I go up and down on a string, round and round. Watch me swing. What am I? 1, 2, 3. Did you guess it? It's a yo-yo. Woohoo! Next one. I hop and jump. With ears so tall, I nibble carrots. I'm fluffy and small. What am I? It's a rabbit. Next one. I bounce, I roll. I'm round and fun. Throw or kick me. Let's run, run, run. What am I? It's a ball. Did you guess it? Next one. I fly in the wind, up so high. With a string, I soar the sky. What am I? It's a kite. Up, up, and away. Next one. I float in the air, round and light. Pop me quick. I'm out of sight. What am I? It's bubbles. Pop, pop. Next one. I'm shiny and smooth. From high I slide. Hop on and enjoy the ride. What am I? It's a slide. Whee! Did you guess it? Next one. I'm round and loud when you play a song. Hit me once and I'll boom along. What am I? It's a drum. Boom, boom. Next one. I move through bushes. No legs to see. I'm long and smooth. What am I? It's a snake. Sneaky. Did you guess it? Next one. I've got 2 wheels. No need to pedal. Kick me forward. Let's glide and settle. What am I? It's a scooter. Let's ride. You did awesome. That was so much fun. Thanks for guessing with me. Ha ha ha. See you next time, friends.